These are the NC20 Pro noise canceling headphones. These are the flagship earbuds from TOZO. As you can see, it comes in a smart touchscreen case. So let's jump in the box and show you everything that it comes with. So here's everything that comes in the box. You've got your instructional manual, quick start guide. You've got your user manual, and you can see right there, we're looking at the NC20 Pro version. You've got your charging cable, which is a USB-C to USB. You have extra ear tips. If you have smaller ears, bigger ears. There are 3 different sizes. You can see in here, kind of a gray-black silicone right there. And we actually have the case and the buds themselves. Here's your touch screen right here. We're actually going to pull these 2 pieces off right there and set those down. Nice LED screen here. Flip open, we've got more protection in here. It's got a magnetic lid. Lightweight, easy feel, smaller than a wallet, smaller than your cell phone. Let's show you the touchscreen and jump into some of the features of this guy. Okay, so the power on is really easy. You're just gonna hit this power button at the bottom and everything will turn on. So you've got this nice LCD screen here, and I actually have the headphones in here. So I'm just gonna take them off. It makes it a little bit lighter and easier to use. But you have an unlock button. So all of these settings, the brightness, the timeout, the volume, the noise canceling, the EQ, these are all customizable from the phone as well. So you have your settings, you can change your wallpaper, screen brightness, timeout. Again, you can change your modes if you want to find your buds, so you can click on those. You can hear that beeping. And the thing that I like about this is it's actually both buds separately, right? So a lot of other times it's just both of them. You can change the volume here. You can do noise canceling right here. And there's 6 different modes, which we'll show you when we get in the app in just a minute. So really, really intuitive, and you never have to pull your phone out of your pocket. You can just do it straight from the screen right here. So the cool thing is about the TOZO headphones is the case is wireless, so you can charge. You saw there when I turned it on, it's actually charging here. Again, I'll show you right here, we're at 85%. We want to get to 100, and you can actually do this with any kind of just leveled charging there. It is wireless. You can use it with a wire. It does have a USB-C cord, as we showed earlier. But I want to show you a little bit more about the noise canceling situation. So I'm going to actually be at work, a little bit outside, a little bit inside, and just kind of give you my thoughts on what that looks like as we're walking through kind of an office space, and then also outside where the weather's a little bit more windy, cold, and times when you would actually use it. The NC20 Pros are IPX8 waterproof. So you can wear them to the gym, outside in the weather, in the snow. You get sweat on them or in them, drop them in the toilet, something like that. They are IPX8 waterproof. So you can see there, it just keeps on ticking. They are connected. And I regularly wear them in the rain or in the snow when I'm out exercising or at the office taking a walk. So once you get connected, it's going to have you take a hearing test. And I'm actually going to skip over this part, but the nice thing is it'll actually play different sounds and it'll give you a personalized level of hearing. So if we slide over, you can see here we have the noise canceling portion right here where you have 6 different ways to do this. There's transparency mode, leisure mode, adaptive mode, normal mode, reduced wind noise, noise cancellation. Later in the video, I'll show you some footage from outside. Then you have equalization. So you can actually go through and you can change some advanced equalization. You can do EQ zones and do different things like this. So there's a bunch of different zones or customized EQ that people have uploaded. You could then create some for yourself. And then going back to sound mode, you can do music mode, spatial audio. And again, I'm not going to go into that mode because they're in my ear, but you have a lot of different options here. And then this is where you can actually change the visual of the case itself, where you can change the background of the case. You can do the screen brightness, you can change the screen time, you can obviously change language, time display, different things like that. So really, really cool options when you get into the app. Absolutely love it.
So one of the other really great things about these TOZO headphones, right, is the noise canceling option. So we live in a flight path. So if I'm outside and the weather is bad, or we have airplanes flying over, we have a daycare behind us, kids, different things like that, I can actually turn on that noise canceling. And again, we have those 6 modes that we showed you when we were in the app, and I'll try and put a thing right up here where you can see those modes and kind of going through that from the screen share. But it's nice because I can turn those on at any time, whether I'm recording video, if I'm in a call, in a meeting, anything like that. It's super nice because I can just turn those on and everything else kind of just goes dead, really, is what it comes down to. So that's another feature that I absolutely love about these. So my final thoughts on the NC20 Pros is they are absolutely fantastic. They're in a league of their own. They've got this smart touchscreen here, wireless charging, waterproof, sound quality to be unmatched, and then you can actually adjust all of those sound quality there. The things that I like the most about it are obviously that you can control your headphones without pulling your phone. You can just do it straight from here. I think this is a great value for the price range. You're not gonna find a better headphone in this price range with all of these features. And then I think the third thing, the most important for me, is that it comes with the app where you can adjust all of it on your phone. You can change the background, you can change the hearing settings. You got 6 different AI modes of listening. It is the time to upgrade your headphones, and this is the one that you need.